Hi, my name is Christopher Dittrich, and I'm responsible for pipe cleaning here at Rothenberger. Today I'll show you our new cordless drain cleaning machine R600 VarioClean. With the R600 VarioClean, you can remove blockages over a length of 60 meters. This is possible in pipe diameters of 20 to 50 millimeters. You can use both 16 and 18 millimeter spirals without having to change anything on the machine. If you want, you also have the option of using 8 and 10 millimeter spirals with the help of an adapter magazine. If you're familiar with our corded R600, you'll notice that we have kept several elements. On the one hand, there's the clamping lever up here, but we've also retained the clamping system inside, the Centerlock system. With the help of the Centerlock system, you can switch between 16 and 18 centimeter spirals without having to make any changes. It also serves to securely clamp the spirals. As you know, you use the lever to transfer the rotation of the motor to the spiral, and you let the lever go when you hit a blockage with the spiral. The way you work has also remained the same. In order to build up pressure on the blockage, you form an arc and let the spiral work against the blockage. If you let go of the lever, you enable the spiral to slide back. By retaining these basic functionalities, we want to make the transition to the new R600 VarioClean as easy as possible for you. At Rothenberger, we use CAS batteries. CAS stands for Cordless Alliance System. This is the first cross-manufacturer battery system for tools. With this battery, you can use over 200 tools from 20 manufacturers. The battery offers you two great advantages. On the one hand, you can start working independently of the power grid. On the other hand, thanks to the battery, we can do without conventional components such as cables and residual current devices. Both components can be damaged by mechanical influences and then become dangerous for users. Now we come to the electronics of our new R600 VarioClean. We named the machine VarioClean because the electronics allow you to choose between 3 different motor speed levels. The lowest level is called unclogging, the medium level is called cleaning, and the fastest level is called spin cleaning. In addition, you can easily switch between counterclockwise and clockwise rotation using the control panel on the machine. Another part of the new VarioClean electronics are the LEDs here at the front of the machine. They're intended so that you can work better, especially in dark areas where there's little light. This can be a dark basement or a kitchen drain under a built-in cupboard. In addition, the LEDs serve as a battery level indicator. When the capacity of the battery is coming to an end, the LEDs start to flash, and you know that you'll have to put in place a new battery soon. If you already have an R600 or another Rothenberger sectional machine, then you can easily use the accessories for the machine for the R600 VarioClean. Nevertheless, we've also developed a new type of spiral, especially for this machine, our so-called Duraflex spiral. The Duraflex spiral is available in both a 16mm and a 22mm version. The unique feature of this spiral is its high flexibility. You can see this especially when you compare the Duraflex spiral with a standard Rothenberger spiral. Here at the front, you can see the Duraflex 16mm spiral. Here at the back is a 16mm standard spiral. As you can see, the Duraflex spiral flexes a lot more. This is because the wire thickness has been reduced by 0.5 millimeters. The increased flexibility makes it easier for you to get through bends inside the pipe, which in turn means that there's less load on the machine. This has a positive effect on the service life of the battery. In addition, the spiral has a plastic core to protect it from dirt and galvanization to make it more durable. You can also use the spiral for conventional sectional machines. In addition to the spiral, our R600 VarioClean has also slimmed down significantly. A normal corded R600 weighs around 20 kilograms. In comparison, at 13 kilograms, the cordless version weighs 7 kilograms less. That's pretty nice. But to make transport even easier for you, the machine also has notches for a shoulder strap. This is done very easily using 2 carabiners that you click into the machine here. This is also a great place to store the separating pins within reach. If you'd like more information about the machine, you'll find a link in the description of this video. For fans of drum machines, there's also a link to the explanatory video for our new Road-Drum VarioClean. The Road-Drum VarioClean is a new cordless pipe cleaning machine based on our Road-Drum S. Thank you for watching.
Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen.